Hello everyone, welcome back. The first section of this adjustment layer training, that's the first one is solid color adjustment layer. So we can click the add layer, then go to the first one, that's solid color adjustment layer. Here just making a colored layer with a layer mask, that's all. So you can click here and select any color as usual. Then you can change the saturation value as I mentioned earlier in the previous video. You can keep it like this to select more lighter colors. Okay, that's a selection of colors. Then click OK to select. Here you can see a color mask and a layer mask. So if you want to delete this one, just select this and right click, then disable layer mask or delete layer mask. And also we have a couple of options that add mask to selection, then subtract. These are advanced things. Okay, so I'm gonna delete the layer mask. Then you can double click over here and change colors at any time. You can select any color, no problem. Let's select this. Then click OK. Then we have a beautiful image in the background. Let's keep the blending mode to soft light. And okay, look at that, the colors reflected. Let's go to back. This was the previous one. I hope you're clear. And this is without a layer mask. And let's delete this one, then make a solid color adjustment layer again. Or keep it here, then keep it to soft light. It become more orange or something like that, then decrease the saturation value. So this is enough, or otherwise you can just decrease the fill value also, we learned earlier. Then the next thing is select the layer mask, and if you want to erase some portions, or if you do not want to see the colors of this portion or particular area, we can just select this one, then keep the foreground color black, then select the brush tool and start erasing. Look at that, it going back. It's going back. So the color change only will remain in this portions only. Actually this is not perfect, but I'm just showing you these examples. And also we can do the same thing easily in the next gradient fill adjustment layer. That's pretty easy compared with this one. So this is all about the solid color adjustment layer. Let's do another example here. Let me show you how to color grade, easy color grade with the solid color adjustment layer. So I just imported this image. Just go to solid color adjustment layer, then select a color, hue color that's supposed to be okay. I like this orange color. Then okay, let's keep here. Then the better way is always change the saturation value, so it will become more lighter. If we drop down, then okay, before doing that, let's change the blending mode to overlay or soft light. It depends your color. If I select hard mix, I get a retro or something like that effect. Then I go back, it will become like this. And this is also beautiful, but let's do this. Then this is a part of color grading. This is a thing. Look at that, this was the before and after. So if I boost the fill value by 347, then we can erase the colors from this area. Let's take the brush tool and go back. Let's see what will happen. Look at that, it's giving a different effect, but doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter, this was before and after. But let me do another thing. Actually these areas are more bright, so decrease the contrast of this area. Before doing that, let's decrease the flow value to S6 now, 12. Then zoom in, then reduce the brush size you can reduce or increase the brush size by the open and close square bracket keys on the keyboard. Let's drag like this. Look at that, it's changing. Look at that. Now it looks beautiful. These areas become more dark, so it's highlighting more. Look at that. I hope this clear. Then let's go back to the previous mode before using the brush tool, before and after. So we can do a lot. Then we can move to the next thing, previous thing there, previous image, and the edited. And also you can choose any blending mode. That soft light will looks like this. Let's boost the fill value. Then you can change the colors to any color. Maybe this sky blue, magenta, red, then the green color, then yellow, red, any color you like. Applying colors to the image. I hope you're clear. We are winding up this one. This is pretty easy to understand and make changes. I hope you're clear. Then see you in the next section. That's the gradient fill. Thank you.